welcome to the shop. I finally finished it. Battle of Narvik diorama is done. These are shots that I took over the last 3 days just to try to show as much detail as I possibly can. The black walls are a little bit scuffed, but those will be covered by the display I build for it. This is supposed to be at night before the Battle of Narvik begins the following morning, or I think it's 10 till midnight is when the battle actually launches. And then it goes through the 28th of May, 1940, and it's the first Allied victory during World War II. So I hope you enjoy this. Just got a few pictures more, and then I'll kind of go into a fun little thing that I did with some sound effects.